Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that your competitors are getting twice as much work done as you. Not because they're smarter. Not because they work longer hours. But because they've learned how to use artificial intelligence. Right now, AI is transforming the way people work, create, learn, and build businesses. Every day, millions of professionals are saving hours by letting AI handle repetitive tasks, generate ideas, analyze information, and automate their workflow. The truth is simple. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future. It's already changing the world, and the people who embrace it today will have a significant advantage tomorrow. In this video, you'll discover 10 incredible AI tools that can save you hundreds of hours every year, boost your productivity, and help you stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, a content creator, or simply curious about the future, these tools can transform the way you work. Let's begin with the first AI tool that millions of people are already using every single day.